Hi, welcome to my channel Heal Your Life with Meghalata. In this video, I'll walk you through a guided practice on forgiveness with Ho'oponopono. In the next few minutes, I promise you, we will relieve some of the blocks you have been carrying for a long time. We invite healing energy, and in the process, we open our inner space for deep forgiveness. Forgiving whom? Forgiving ourselves first and the others as well, of course. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notification. I request you to choose a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably without any disturbance for the next few minutes. We'll be going through a life-changing process. As you're settling down, inhale deeply and exhale slowly and relax yourself completely. As you are exhaling, let go of all the worries of the day and allow yourself to be present here in this process. You're safe and this moment is for you. Now let's start. Take a deep breath. Exhale completely and slowly. Now once again, inhale deeply. As you are inhaling, scan through your body. Wherever there is tension, consciously release them as you exhale. Exhale slowly, peacefully and completely. Once again, inhale deeply. Exhale through the mouth completely. Ho'oponopono is essentially a reconciliation and healing. The 4 phrases of Ho'oponopono reminds us, for us to heal, we need to forgive first. Forgiving is not just for others. We forgive ourselves also. We forgive ourselves for holding on to pain for a long time, for holding on to grief, for holding on to resentment, for clinging on to guilt. Many emotions, many unresolved emotions. So we are forgiving ourselves for holding on to all these emotions which are not serving any purpose for our growth. Now let's begin with the 4 healing phrases of Ho'oponopono. As I guide you through the phrases, please repeat it silently or you can say it aloud also according to your convenience. Allow the power of these words to wash you, to rinse you, to cleanse you thoroughly. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Say these words with utter sincerity and openness. These words carry profound healing energy. Let's take a moment to focus on these phrases one by one. I'm sorry. Whom are you telling sorry? You're telling sorry for someone or some situation or some memory which needs forgiveness. It could be something that had happened recently or it had happened in the past. As you're saying, I'm sorry, you feel that energy. You feel that apology coming out from your heart, pouring from your heart. Release the guilt. Release the blame you may have been holding for a long time. Understand, releasing the guilt is the first step in your healing process. Now gently repeat the second phrase, please forgive me. Whether it's for your own self or it's for somebody else. This moment is for forgiving. If you are holding on to any resentment, any guilt, any judgment, this is the time to let go. Please understand that forgiveness is not about excusing the wrong, but freeing yourself from the burden of hurt. The next phrase we say is thank you. Be thankful for the opportunity in hand to heal yourself right now, to heal yourself in this moment. Express your gratitude for the growth that comes with this practice. Gratitude is a powerful force. And as you say thank you, allow yourself to feel thank you for the release, for the peace, for the love that's flowing in your life right now. Final phrase you say is, I love you. Let this word, I love you, surround you, embrace you, and bring you back to the place of deep compassion for yourself and for the others. I love you is not just a phrase. It's the energy of pure healing. It's the power that transforms everything. Let's repeat these 4 phrases one more time. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now inhale deeply. Exhale totally and completely through your mouth. When you are ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing with you a sense of peace and healing. You've just given yourself the gift of forgiveness, and your heart is now open to receive love and healing. Thank you for joining me in this Ho'oponopono forgiveness practice. Just remember that forgiveness is an ongoing process. The journey has just begun. Whenever you feel the need for emotional healing, get back to this video and go through this process once again. It must be taking 5-7 minutes? Just do it. Just do it. I would suggest do it every day. Every day before going to bed, just take 5 minutes out and do this practice to release all your pent-up emotions. I hope now after doing this process, you are feeling much more lighter, more peaceful and more connected to yourself. If you found this practice helpful, please like the video. Share the video to someone who really needs it. Subscribe to my channel to get more contents on healing. I would love to hear your experience in the comment box. Please share your experiences and your thoughts in the comment box. Remember, healing starts with you. Check out my other videos to continue your healing journey. See you soon in my next video on healing. Till then, take care. And this is Meghlata signing off with loads of love.